Traders, good evening. It's evening here in Australia. I'm in Perth. Look, so what I just want to explain is I did show everyone that I'm doing the Tim Sykes. It's not the Millionaire Challenge. It's the one below it. So I'm just going to shout out figures. So it's 6,700 US for the challenge. This is 1,200. So you don't get access to Tim. It's not the challenge chat room. I just get the general. I get the penny stocking. I get a couple of DVDs. I get Part Deux, a penny stocking Part Deux, and there's another one as well, like penny stocking fundamentals, I believe. So, and that's quite a lot of content. And I also get the video lessons as well. So I'm doing that. I'm also doing this. So this is currency trading. This is Forex. So this is called Forex Tester 3. It's a simulator that goes back in time. So I'm doing the pound USD 4-hour time frame. I've called it. It's actually this is the Bollinger Band version 3. So I've been doing this a lot. So this was done before I saw Tim's stuff, and I've noticed Tim's stuff for a while on Facebook and Instagram, but I haven't really looked into it properly. I have. I would probably say it's a mentor dash good friend who does Forex, and he recommended Tim. So, and he's very wealthy. I don't want to quote how much, but yeah. So he actually said, Tim's legit. Anyway, guys, so what I'll do is I'll run 3 months of this, and for the people that do follow me for that, this will make a lot of sense. So I do this very regularly. I was uploading it to a forum, and I was using Vimeo, which is an uploading service, but I made a video about the forum, and it's called Naked Forex Now, and it got flagged because it had naked in it, which, that's, if you read the whole thing, it's about a Forex thing, but it's not just some naked photo. Anyway, so it got taken down for that. Then they assessed it and said you're doing it for business purposes because I was uploading it to a private paid forum. So I was like, you know what? I don't actually get any money out of that, but they just, so they wanted 25 US or 55 US for the professional. So 25 for the business. That was like, I don't know, some outrageous upload. I don't need that. I don't make any money. Why should I? Anyway, YouTube's quicker. So you're going to get this as well. This is what I do on the forum. I post this every day. So that's to avoid confusion. And then a few times a week, I'm going to be talking about my experience, in the Tim Sykes sort of program. I'm not going to be doing any trading. I'm very conservative, so I'm not going to jump in with a 10 grand account or anything. So if you're looking for that, looking for hot tips, as Tim says, please, no, this is not what I'm doing. So it's not a professional, information thing on what to buy, what to sell. I won't be looking into that. I'm still learning the basics. So anyway, let's just get down to it. I noticed it's got quite a lot of interactions as well, which I appreciate. A lot of comments, a lot of views. For me, a lot of views anyway. Okay. Anyway, guys, so for my Forex fans and people on the forum, I've done 102 months. Net profit 794. So that's not really great. So for people watching into penny stocks, that's not good. But diversifying my income a little bit. 58% win rate. That's about it. So we've got 105. I'll get my calculator up. And again, shout out to the people. Where's my character? There it is. To the people who've commented and everything. And you give me an email about. I'm going to bam it out. I'm going to send it out to you straight away. And I've got a Skype as well, Scotty 12431. A lot of Scotties out there, so I just had to make a random thing. So add me. So Scotty 12431. I think I'm going to put that in the description section. If you want to talk to me, I'm all about sharing screenshots and everything like that. And because Tim, to really get a one-on-one with Tim, it's going to cost $6,700 US dollars a year. That's what I got quoted. Is that expensive? Not really. I know some people, some traders that will charge like $4,500 for a few hours at a time. So it's not outrageous, but again, it's not for me right now. It wasn't attainable. So anyway, daily chart, getting messages, getting love. Not really love, but just messages. All right, look at that. That's an nice little kangaroo town. For me right now, well, it's major consolidations. So. And again, for the people who are doing penny stocking, it's good to be aware of price action. This is price action. This is what this is doing, and support resistance levels, and so I'm not an absolute raw beginner trader, but I would say I'm a novice, a definite novice. I want this video to be short. It's going to be, God, I ran it on, didn't I? I just ran it on. I bet this video won't get as many views, but I just like to help people if I can, that's all. So this is a little bit more less exciting though, because penny stocking seems to be, you make 10% in a trade, and for me, really, 10% in a month would be huge. I mean, in a year would be pretty good. So, God damn it, sorry. So it's probably, it has cleared. It hasn't cleared the high there, but I mean, it's done quite a bit. I just want to have a good time. The annoying thing is it will probably. Oh, it's got plenty of room. I'm gonna get in on this, guys. I'm gonna do a base tap. So for penny stocking, it seems there's nothing offered like this, and for me, it's really good because it's like being a pilot. This is what this is. It's simulating what it's like, and it's historical data. I don't pay for the ultra premium, very accurate stuff, but you can do that if you want to. It's it's a valuable tool. So I don't know if that's available. I might just ask Tim. When don't know how I'll communicate with him, but I'll be on the Profitly thingamajig on the site. Okay, so we'll go 10 to find. Just wanna have a good time. Just 37. 37. That was very similar to what I had before. Alright, and then we do another position, but with a trailing exit. So again, for the people who aren't into Forex trading, probably don't watch this video. I mean, you can if you'd like, but it's going to be a little confusing. I've gone through the rules of this system as well. But if anyone wants any more information about my Forex stuff as well, just leave a comment. Leave your email, I'll email you. That's how we do. That's probably how we'll do things with the easiest way. Alright, so we're in the trade. See how this pans out. Oh, nice. So we'll close if it goes below. So that was good. So it was a breakout. It was just a very, aggressive. I was expecting some retrace because if you've got a huge candle like that relative to, the average daily range, you can just, I didn't actually bring it up, but you can see that it's normally have a bit of a retrace, but we get a candle below here. Yep. Close that out. Okay. Got account history. It's nice when I win because I've had a few losing trades in a row. I mean, you shouldn't expect to win all the time. Okay, so that's not spectacular, but it's not a break even or a losing trade. Get my head out the way. Okay, let's name that project. And I do this screenshot, guys, because I don't dwell on that. I like to continue testing. So I'll do my analysis and journaling on this Saturday. Sometimes Friday night if I'm busy. I'm going to be busy on Saturday, but no excuses. Put the work in. I mean, there's a little bit of transference you can take onto trading penny stocks. It's just more discipline, and risk management is very important, and just following the rules of your system. Okay. But if there is any software available to do this with, I know that's going to be crazy because there's so many different companies, but I sort of like doing this. I like the back test. And we're at 103.59. I might just go to 104 because I don't want the video to be too long. Alright, so we're probably going to end up not having another trade. And I'm just going to probably close this out because I'll probably just continue testing outside of. Alright, so it's 104, guys. Thank you for watching. What I'll do, I probably won't make another video tonight. Maybe I might do another testing video. Probably inappropriate. I wanted to do some back testing last night. I didn't. I paid for the pre-market course on Friday night. Well, it's midnight Perth time. Went through it for a couple of hours. Went to bed. Then again Saturday night after I did a few things, I watched it again. So anyway, thank you for watching. penny stocking people, forex people, thank you. I hope for the forum members this sort of helped. I'll make a note of when I took the trade. Thank you for watching and have a great night and rest of the weekend. Bye.